Long time, Jimmy. You don't come around.
Been busy, working hard.
Right. Citizen now. Legitimate. Businessman. I heard about your endeavor. Some kind of support group thing for dying something.
Something.
I spent all my time with these two fucking morons. My village idiot son. I miss my wife, Jimmy. You remember Cynthia?
Beautiful lady. Special.
Thank God. She never had to see me like this. Look at you. You got a lady?
No.
That's because you're hanging around with the virus breeders, Jimmy. VBs. You into that yet? Biting a pillow?
No.
You will. It's a liberal thing. One day you're saving a rainforest, next you're chugging cock. Am I wrong?
Talk to me, will you?
I want peace. I'm ass fixed to this chair. I'm tired. I'm old. I shit in a bag. I piss in another. I got a nurse. Call a nurse. Well, darling, nod to my friend Jimmy.
Hello.
How are you? Excuse us. She's a 10. Jimmy, she's a planet unto herself. She can't nurse worth shit, but I keep her on because although I can't feel it, I know I have erections in her presence. You understand?
I understand.
Good. Then you'll understand when I say this. Bernard, my son, he's all that's left of my Cynthia, and he's crazy as a shithouse rat. The other day, they catch him in the elementary school playground, grabbing itty-bitty titty. It was a mess. And the thing is, I understand the problem. Bernard's problem... You remember Meg?
Yeah.
Meg was Bernard's high school sweetheart, you know. They kept it up through college. We thought they was gonna get hitched. Until she met this beat, Bruce, studying to be an orthodontist. She busted up with Bernard, moved to L.A. with this beat, Bruce. Bernard's never been the same. I understand part of this was inevitable. Being the son of me, he likes initiative. Since this Meg thing, his behavior has become worse. And now, this thing in the schoolyard, it's a fiasco. My intelligence tells me this beat Bruce is coming to Denver. Meet Meg's folks, ask their permission, marry a little bang tail. This can't happen. Meg loved Bernard for 7 years. She can learn to love him again.
What do you want done?
It's just an action. It's not a piece of work. Catch the creep. Out on the highway. Before he gets to Meg's, brace him. Make it so he'd sooner fuck the fryer later than propose to Meg.
Why me?
Jimmy, you got the nice suit, you got the $70 haircut, but you are taking a dump in your video business. I got a call in the note.
What do you mean you got a call on the note? I didn't take the note off of you. I took it off of New Orleans Sal.
Took it off New Orleans Sal. Who do you think New Orleans Sal took it off of? You ain't no entrepreneur, Jimmy.
Okay. I need a crew. Maybe 4.
I worship you. I'm paying 50 G's straight out. It's just an action. Split it any way you want. You want to throw these pathetic yucks some scratch? I applaud your sensitivity. For Cynthia. Do it. For Cynthia. May she rest in peace. Do it. For the old days. Do it. For your business. Just do it. Hey, Zelly, there's some salsa.